morning, Frothers. We are back in Salt Lake City. We are headed up to Brighton Resort to do some local shredding. We just got back from Niseko, Japan. Jamie O'Brien Vlogs, thank you so much, bro. That was such an epic experience. That was my first time in Japan. Go check out the 2 episodes on Jamie O'Brien Vlogs. But today, let's go get frothy with the boys. You! We loaded. We ready. I'm joined by my beautiful girlfriend. Here, let me grab the camera. Lexi.
What's up?
We're going snowboarding. She's helping me film today. It's going down, people. Vlogs are back.
Look how torn up the mountain is already. This is what we get for being an hour late.
Alright, so we just got to Brighton Resort. It's absolutely crowded. Literally all 3 parking lots are completely packed. I'm gonna see if we can sneak us in a little spot. We're meeting our friend Keisha up here. It's actually how I met my girlfriend. She's really rad filmer, photographer, and snowboarder, so it should be fun. Meet up with her and see what we can come up with. Oh, fucker, this dude is going the same way I am. I think they know they're down here.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yo!
Hell yeah, you stoked?
That's how you find a parking spot. You just make your own, baby. Alright guys, we're all geared up. Ready to go shred. Just called our homie Keisha. She's going to meet up with us. We're going to bail off the 1DX and switch over to the GoPro. So, see what we can come up with.
Austin, what's up? Eric, what's going on? What's up, Noah?
Girl Keish. Yo, girl Lexi.
Let's get some face shots, boy.
Hell yeah.
That's the boys. Going.
What's up, man? I'm doing all right, man.
Dude, are you frosting out here, dude?
Dude, I've been frosting all night long.
Boots nowadays, though.
What's wrong?
My fucking boots are loose. Keep eating shit.
It'll be okay. It's snowing.
Mom's snowing.
We've been some park today, we've been some power today, we've been getting after it. Thanks guys for watching the vlog, it's not over yet. Let's get it! Yeah, boy. Brighton Resort, always a good time. That's a wrap on the day. We ended up getting some park laps, getting some cow laps, meeting up with the homies. I couldn't ask for anything better. If you guys like this vlog, make sure you subscribe right here and stay tuned for the next episode. We're doing them weekly. We got podcasts coming out, so get stoked. Get frothy, dude. Woo!